Wait, don't scroll. If you love creative and easy DIY crafts, this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you 20 plus amazing craft ideas that you can make at home using simple materials like cardboard, plastic bottles, and ice cream sticks. These ideas are super easy, budget-friendly, and perfect for decorating your room or making something useful. And trust me, some of these crafts look so beautiful, no one will believe they're handmade. If you enjoy turning waste into something creative, you're going to love this. Make sure you watch till the end because the last idea is my favorite, and it might surprise you. So, grab your materials, get ready, and let's create something amazing together. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas every week.